Alright, I'm fixing to open up the fuel filter from a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. It's the GLI edition with the 2.0 turbo FSI, but they're all pretty much the same for the most part. This is the factory one. It has 76,000 miles on it. Fixing to open it up for the first time. See how it looks inside. When I took it off, some dirty fuel came out. But we'll see how it is now once I open up this cover. Alright, that's the first time just popping it off. It has some shards in it from the grinding. I might have to take it a step further, so. Right, I'm back. What I did was I cut out the filter element so we can get a better look inside. Here on the output side, it goes straight through. There's no stopper. But over here on the input, on the middle line, it's like a small diaphragm. I guess it's a one-way valve, but then you have to return right here, which is the outside one. You can sort of see it goes around the outside of the filter. That's where the outside line goes. You can sort of see through it. Here's the middle one, which is the one-way valve. Just the output. I'm not exactly sure how it works 100%, but that's pretty much it.